In this video, we will talk about the questions or the problems that we can solve using dictionaries. In the most of the interviews, they will ask some problems which can be solved using dictionaries. So we will see that kind of questions, or else at least 2 or 3 questions. Okay. So the most asked question will be find the frequency of characters in a given string. So that will be the questions. Find the frequency of characters. Okay, frequency of characters in a given string, in a given string. Now let's take a string of input text equal to, let's take programming. Okay, programming. Now the interviewer will ask you, I want you to print the number of times the each character present in the text, right? In the programming, P has been repeated once, R has been repeated twice, O has been repeated once. In that way, you have to like basically P once, R twice, and so on, G twice, like till last if you search. So it will be, that's how it will go on. So this will be the output. So you have to print this output. Now to do this, what you will do? The best possible way is to use dictionaries. Most of the students will get stuck here because they don't know how to find this count of the each character in the given string. So they will get confused here. They will get stuck here. So the easy way is to use a dictionary. When I will initialize a empty dictionary, and then I will iterate through this string by using for loop for char in text. Okay, and if char in result, if char is already present in the results, I mean I am talking about the result dictionary that I have initialized. It was initially empty, and in the first iteration it will first check this condition. If char in result, then what it will do, result of that char plus equal to 1. I mean basically if something is there, so we will see else condition first. Else result of char equal to 1. Okay, result of char equal to 1. That's it. So first what we'll do, it will take P. Okay, so for P in programming, if P in result, P is not there in the result because it's empty. Now it will go into else condition. Here it will basically, okay, P is not in the result. So what it will do, result of char basically. So this dictionary will be updated in this way. So result of char, that is P equal to P colon 1. It will be assigned. In the next iteration, if again P is repeated, let's take one more P after this P. So what it will do, if char in P, char in result, okay, P is present in the result. So what it will do, it will increment this 1 to 1 plus 1, that will become 2. So this is how this code will run, and at the end of the for loop, the result will look like that. We will print the dictionary. Okay, first we will print that result dictionary. So if I print this, you can see here P twice, R twice, O once, G twice, A once, M twice, I once, N once. Okay, so the frequency of the characters is been saved in this dictionary. Okay, so if you print this dictionary, that is enough. So that's out, that's the end of the program. If suppose if he wants, okay, no, I don't want it in the dictionary format, can you print, I mean take the each character, that how many times it's printed, then you can use another for loop for key in result. You can iterate through dictionary, and you can print, you can use print, and you can use this f string. Okay, so here you can mention the character, the character sorry, character, which one, that key, okay, is repeated, is of frequency how many times, that is result of key. Okay, result of key times. Okay, so this is how you can solve this problem. If I run this, you can see like each printing statement. See, the character p is repeat of frequency 2 times, the character r is frequency of 2 times. This is how. So this is how we can iterate through this. If you are not aware of how to iterate through dictionaries, you can watch my previous videos of dictionaries. Okay. So this is the one kind of question that we can expect. And another question we can expect is, so let me comment this for now. And we'll move on to some other questions. Like some other questions that we can expect is, so they will ask merge some dictionaries. Like let's take a one equal to some dictionary values, and let's take two equal to some key and values. Okay. So in this, I will have some values related to fruits. Okay. Apple. Okay. Apple colon, and we will have one. Okay, I have one apple, and I have two bananas. Banana. So let's make it banana. So here I have two bananas. No, and let's take strawberry. That is repeated of three. So like this, I'm taking a random dictionary, so you can take. And let's take another dictionary. So in this dictionary, let's have some vegetables. Okay. So vegetables, some what we use, carrot. Okay, carrot one, and I have a radish that I have to. So now let's, the interviewer will ask you merge these two dictionaries. So what you can do is, you can copy this dictionary one. Okay, I already explained you about how to copy, right? So result, so let's take a result variable. So result equal to this dict1 dot, okay, copy. Okay, this result will be copy. Okay, the copy of this dict1 will be stored here in result. Okay, now let's iterate through this shop 2. Okay, this, I mean, dictionary 2. So the dictionary 2 is for key comma value in dict2 dot items. I was explaining you about this methods while I was explaining about dictionaries. And in this, if key in result, okay, if key is in this result dictionary, if then what you will do, result of key plus equal to value, plus equal to value. Else what you will do, else you will do result of key, okay, result of key equal to value. So this is the approach that I will use. Now what will happen? So if it is present in this result dictionary, oh, it will just increment the value. I mean, already let's take apple is present in dictionary 1, and I will have a dictionary 2. I mean, in dictionary 2 also I have a apple. So what it will do, it will use the values that are, so it will add those values. So already I have apple equal to 1, and here in the dictionary 2 I have apple 12. So 12 plus 1 will become 13. So that's what it's happening in the first condition. In the next condition, if it is not there, then it will be simply that result dictionary will be updated with the result of key. So first dictionary I am copying it to result, and the second dictionary that I am iterating through it, and if it is present in the already result, so then I am just updating that key. If it is not present, then I am just adding that new value into that result dictionary. This is what I am doing. At the end of the time, if I print my dictionary, the value will be print result. You can see the output. So total I have 5. So apple, I already said, so apple became 13, banana 2, strawberry 3, carrot 1, radish 2. So this is how we can merge two dictionaries. So this is another question that you can expect. And one, so I think this is how questions will be. So let's have another question. And but again, it is again, see, the most of the dictionaries is all about how you will iterate through this and how efficiently you retrieve the data from the dictionary, and how you will print it or how you use it. This is what is the most important thing in this data structure dictionary. Okay, so like, if they will give a dictionary, and so they will ask, like, let's take a dictionary. Okay, let's take a student dictionary, student. And in this student dictionary I have some values of this course. Okay, so student lava scored Okay, Lava score 35 marks, and some Kumar score 199 marks. And let's take another person. Let's some girls. Sheila took some 85 marks, right? So in this dictionary, so if interviewer will ask you the print the person, like print the key which has the highest marks. So this is how we can ask. So the simple way to do this is there is a function called max in Python. So for that, let's take topper equal to max of, so this student, okay, student comma, you have to use something like key. That key will be the value of this key present in this student. That how you can write student dot get. So it will get the values of this key. So first it will get the keys like LAVAKUMAR, and corresponding value will be taken here. And at the end of this, at finally the whichever the person who have, that will be printed here. So let's print it. Okay, I'll print topper. So the output will be Kumar, right? Kumar score 99 and you will get 99. So there is another way to do this. You can use for loop and for key in student, for key in student. So before that you have to take two variables, max marks equal to 0, and let's take another thing like uh, topper best. Let's take best variable because I have already used topper. So best equal to an empty string. And now in this for loop, while you were iterating, so you can iterate in this such a way that like for if, like let's compare like if let's compare the marks. Okay, if student of key, okay, if student of key is greater than max marks, is greater than max marks, then you will update your max marks equal to max marks equal to student of key, and then student of key, and then you can use update this best equal to key. So this is what you can do. This is a one way. So at the end of the loop, if you print same answer, you will get print best. So the output will be the person who got the highest marks. So yeah, see, Kumar. So if you didn't understood this for loop, I think you have to work a lot with this for loop and how to iterate through this dictionaries, because that's what most important. So that's how we can retrieve the data from the dictionary. So this is all about the some of the questions that we can expect from dictionaries. I mean, I'm not saying this interviewers will exactly ask this kind of questions, but so these are some of the sort of the questions that are repeated in some of the interviews. So like these questions only we may get. So go through these things, practice a lot, and it will be easy for you to solve this kind of problems. That's all for this video, and we will see you in the next video with another new concept. And keep watching my videos, keep loving my videos, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to post it in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.